My name is Jeff Sigmund. I own Mobile Diesel Diagnostics. I would say our main area of expertise would be that we like to do the in-depth troubleshooting that most technicians either don't want to do or don't enjoy doing or don't fully go as far as they should. If I give my word to someone, that is basically a bond. I'm going to do what I say, and they know that. And that's how I have been able to grow my business. And becoming an affiliate with Diesel Laptops, I was able to maintain that level of trust with my customers and continue to grow. And I wouldn't have been able to do that without Diesel Laptops and the support and products that they provide. The biggest issue I have run into is the unwillingness to give access to the OEM software. And that is where both dealer level kits for Diesel Laptops have come in so clutch for me and again my customers. You have the ability to see live data and do most of the functions and tests and activations that the dealer can. To me, what sets Diesel Laptops apart is the fact that everything is done in-house. Whether it's building the product, supporting the product, and any technical issues or support issues, it's all the same company. They want everyone to be able to work on their own stuff and not have to go to the dealer for every little thing and be at basically the mercy of the dealer. One of the things that I truly value most is my relationship with Diesel Laptops. And not only is it a company, a business relationship, but I have personal relationships with the people that comprise Diesel Laptops. In today's age of technology, it feels like you are literally a number. With Diesel Laptops, I'm able to call actual people that I know and they know what I'm looking for. Kamisha and the production team are always able to pull stuff off. They make magic happen. Another reason why I wanted to do the affiliate program with Diesel Laptops, because I know Charlie Bass and everybody down there on the support team, and they provide the support that I can only be one place at one time and only on one phone call at one time. But with the countless people they have on tech support, there's always somebody available. Case in point, I happened to be on the phone with another customer of mine, and Rob with Prestige was having an issue connecting to one of their skid steers. He reached out to technical support at Diesel Laptops, and in the 15 minutes that I was still on the phone, they were able to get him squared away. So once I got done with that call and returned Rob's call, he's like, "Don't even worry about it, man. Diesel Laptops got me going." For Tyler to have started Diesel Laptops in his garage and grow it to the literal huge company that it is today, he has somehow managed to find people and place them appropriately in his company where they not only care, but they grow relationships therein. And it's those people that I rely on in my business, and I have no qualms about referring and pointing other people towards Diesel Laptops to use their products and rely on their services that they provide.